Hey everyone, I am Aishwarya. If you have just finished college or you are close and you are thinking, I really want to get into cybersecurity, but I have no idea where to start, I totally get you. I have been there. There is so much noise out there SOC teams, red teams, blue teams, GRC, pen testing. It's overwhelming, especially when you are new. But don't worry, in this video, I want to talk to you like a friend and just break down what a cybersecurity career can actually look like after college. Let's start simple. What is cybersecurity? It's all about protecting information, keeping systems, networks, and data safe from people who shouldn't access them. But here's what people don't say enough. Cybersecurity is not one single job, it's a whole bunch of different jobs. So people spend their days monitoring systems, some try to hack into systems to test their strength, others write policies, manage risk, or help teams build good habits. And guess what? You don't have to be tech wizard to fit in. If you are curious, willing to learn, and care about protecting things, there is a place for you. Now, one of the most common questions is, how do I choose the right role? Honestly, you don't have to figure it out all at once. Explore. If you are analytical and like spotting patterns, maybe start with security analyst roles. If you are the type who loves figuring out how things break, you might enjoy ethical hacking. If you love structure, organizing, and policies, GRC or compliance might be your space. It's okay to try things out. You will learn what feels right as you go. Let's talk about skills, the kind you can actually start learning today. Start with networking basics. Learn how devices talk to each other like IPs and ports. Then explore Linux, even if it's just learning how to move around in the terminal. And of course, pick up some basic cybersecurity concepts like what phishing is, what malware does, what a firewall is. Once you have got the basics, jump into hands-on learning. I personally love platforms like TryHackMe. They walk you through real scenarios step by step, and it's actually fun. Even setting up a little home lab with a virtual machine can be a great start. Okay. Real talk about certifications. You don't need one to start, but they can help, especially if you are applying for your first job. Security Plus is a great place to begin. It gives you a good overall understanding of cybersecurity. But honestly, focus more on practicing than collecting certifications. Skills speak louder. So, what's your next step? Pick a path. Anyone. It doesn't have to be perfect. Start learning, even just a little each day. Practice what you learn. Join a community where you can ask questions and share wins. It helps so much. Cybersecurity is a journey, not a checklist. And you are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you are supposed to be right now. Thanks for spending these few minutes with me. If this helped you feel even a little more clear or confident, drop a comment and let me know where you are in your journey. I would love to hear your story. Thank you. Bye.